Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendars and how to access things such as the setup, importing calendar from Moodle, sharing it with others, and creating a meeting, a Hangout meeting. First, to get to it, we have to go to google.com/calendar. Since I'm already signed in, it brings me up to the calendar right here. If you're already signed into your Google account, it may sign you in for you as well. Over here in the right side, we have this thing where you can change it, where you can see it by month, by day, by year. And then I personally like the month the most. And then at the month is where we can go and we can create a go-ahead event that we have. We create an event, a reminder, or a task. You edit the date and the time right here. This is also where you can go to more options, and you have a lot more options right here, a lot more things to do. This is also where you're gonna invite other people to share it with others. For this example, I'm gonna send it to my dad and my mom, just so y'all can see. Now the guest and can see my I've shared it with my guest. Then from here you can save it, and that's where it can send. And then also right here is where you can add the meet.com with the Hangout meeting. When you join Google Meet, it asks, allow me to use your camera, dismiss, and this is where you can create a meeting. You would have join now, and other people would have access to your meeting with that link that you provided. Also, this is where we can go down here and we can add from our URL, we can add the calendar from Moodle actually. And once we do this, when we go back to our calendar and we click it to be shown, it can show us our actual assignments that it's taken from our calendar on Moodle, and it's uploaded it to our Google Calendar. Alright, this is all the basic information needed to set up a Google Calendar. There's much more. This is the basic information.